In this video, I'll be reviewing the Vortex Viper HD 10x42 binoculars. These binoculars I have had for a couple of years now, and so I would just love to share my thoughts and let you know what I really like about this pair. I will also be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, so if you do decide to pick up a pair, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Alright, let's get into it. Right off the bat, the first thing that I have to say I love about this pair, and really any Vortex in general, is their lifetime warranty. This warranty even covers accidental damage, and so it's a great peace of mind knowing that even if you drop these and the glass shatters out, it can still be replaced free of charge by Vortex. The Viper glass is going to be in your middle to upper tier of glass that is offered by Vortex, and I have been thoroughly impressed by what it has to offer. From using this for multiple hunting seasons, the picture is just crystal clear, stands out, does really well in low light, and if you're looking for an upgrade from the Crossfire or Diamondback, this is definitely noticeable. One thing I really like about this pair is the adjustable eye cups that they have. They do have 3 different settings that you can adjust the height of the eye cup to, and it makes a huge difference, especially when you're looking at something with glasses or without glasses, to be able to adjust these on the fly and just have it ready to go. Also, this right eye diopter, it does have a lock to it, so it's not just going to slide out of place. So, as you can see, in order to unlock it, what you need to do is grab it and then pull it up, and then it will unlock the diopter, thus allowing you to adjust it from there. And then once you have it set to your preference, go ahead and just push it down and it locks it back into place, pretty much just saving exactly where your eye is, and you don't need to worry about it getting bumped or moved. I am also a really big fan of the lens covers that come with this model. One big reason is because they snap into place over the lens. I haven't had to worry about them popping out or getting disheveled in my bag because they really do just lock into place, keeping that glass protected. Also, if you do plan on mounting these binoculars onto a tripod to give you that extra stability, there is a place where you can do that. Right in the middle here, you're just going to unscrew that Vortex logo, and then you have access to where you can insert one of the Vortex adapters to mount this onto your tripod. So for the binoculars themselves, these have been hands down my favorite pair that I have ever owned. Just the glass quality, the clarity, the brightness, everything is just phenomenal for the price that they're offered at. This specific model of binoculars that I got did also include a glass pack. However, I do know that some of the older generations don't have a glass pack. So just do your research beforehand so you know what you're getting. So these straps here, it's really cool. It does function kind of like a harness. They go around both your shoulders, and then the binoculars really just sit right in the middle of your chest. I've used these while archery hunting, having them right on the front of my chest, and I haven't had any issues with drawing my bow or them interfering in any way. It also does have these little clips, which is a cool feature because you can clip your binoculars into the case. So you can just simply take them out real quick if you want to glass something, and then you can just let it hang at your side for a little time if you don't want to put them away immediately. But overall, these binoculars are fantastic, and they have been great to me for hunting, hiking, I mean really everything that I just love to do outdoors. I take these everywhere I go. So if you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.